Well, hey, folks, how y'all doing? And welcome back in, old man. Yeah, we got a new cordless drill. Folks, take a look at the tools down here in the shop. And what started my quest for different cordless drills was I wanted to get a new cordless. And, you know, I've had my Milwaukee, and I've had my Milwaukee for years. I've got the Impact Milwaukee, and I wanted something to supplement it, but I didn't want to spend the big money. So the very first one I got was the Bauer, and the Bauer has performed very well. And then I went and got a Black & Decker that was on sale. And, you know, it doesn't have a whole lot of power, but for what I need occasionally when I'm doing a project, it seems like I never have enough drills. And I don't like changing out bits to put screws in or something like that, because I'm using a lot of times multiple screws, different screws. So I like to have a bit set up so I don't have to change it out. And that's why I require different drills. So I was looking online for another drill. Believe it or not, yeah, another drill. And you say, well, Tom, why don't you go with the Bauer? And because I wanted to try something different. So I was looking around and I found this one, this Mancella, and the price was pretty doggone good. And it came with 2 batteries, and it is lithium ion. It's 21 volt. Has this little toolkit. Okay, that's nice. But I was more interested in the drill. Drill seems to be very well made, and it's also a hammer drill. I didn't even realize that when I got it. So I tell you what, let's take a look at it online, and then we'll drill some stuff. So not from Amazon. So this is from one of those other sites that it's got this, it's called Bang Good. This is another site that sells, I think they're trying to be like an Amazon more or less, because when you look around in there, they got a ton of stuff. But what I liked was $70, and it comes with, like I said, comes with the whole kit. Comes with 2 batteries. That's a big deal for me. And you know, it's got a lot of cool things going on. And time will tell of this. And I know, you know, there was shipping with this. It was $10 for shipping. So in all, $80. But still, for $80 to get a kit that's got the 21 volt, and it's something different. Plus, it's got the hammer type that can do. So I tell you what, let's put some bits on it. See how well it drives. All right, so if you're wondering how it charges, it doesn't have a quick charger. It's got one of them things, and then you plug this, and then this goes into the outlet like that. It does come with a clip if you're into clips, and then, like I said, it's got the whole toolbox. So if you're looking for a drill with a tool kit, it's even got one of these little angle things. I like these drivers though. These drivers I will take out and use those. I use those quite a bit. Gave you a couple masonry bits, a couple smaller regular steel bits, some wood bits, and then some bigger auger wood bits. And we'll try a couple of those out and see how they work. All right, we got set up with one of the spade bits. It says it's a number 12. I measured it. It's actually 1/2 inch. Let's see what it does here, just out of curiosity. Pushing as hard as I can. Well, the bit came off, but drilled a hole. Plenty of oomph there. That's good. All right, so one of the things I forgot to mention, it is 2-speed, and it is reversing. So, and it's got built-in storage for flathead, and on both sides actually. That's pretty cool. I think they're 2 different sizes. So you know, a lot of good things going on. There is a light. You can see the light right there. So that's pretty cool. Like I said, there's a lot of it, and it feels good in the hands. I mean, this isn't, it doesn't feel like a cheap cordless screwdriver. I mean, I've never heard of this brand. I'm sure it's made in China with all the other Milwaukees and DeWalt's and Makitas and all that. So let's try. I've got a different bit on there. I've got a stainless steel screw, and let's just see if we can go into the 2x4 here without pre-drilling anything. Yeah, and it's got a clutch in it. I forgot to mention that. So I got the clutch setting. I should put it on drill, but it drove that right down. So that's pretty impressive. Let's see if we can take it out. See if we can put it back in. Yeah, no problem. That clutch works pretty nice. It's seated it real good. So far, very impressed with this. Huh. Not too bad. Not too shabby at all. All right, you can see the arrow there, and I've got it on the hammer drill, and you can just turn it, and that's what puts it on either drill or the screwdriver setting or back in the hammer. Let's just see if it rattles a little bit here. We'll get a piece of scrap and see what happens. Let's just see if it rattles a little bit on the concrete, shall we? Yeah, it does. So it works. All right, there she is. You know, I'm pretty impressed with it. And you're probably asking, you know, Tom, why don't you just go with another Bauer? That way you could use the batteries from the Bauer. And you're right, I could have. But in the interest of showing you folks different options out there, and that's what it's all about, options, showing you, you know, the people out there that are looking for tool reviews, that are looking for different options. This is one of them. So I'll tell you, I'll leave the link down below. They got a whole bunch of other ones. If you go to that Banggood site, there's a ton of them on there to choose from. You can spend an hour just looking. And I wanted to get it just to see if the stuff you're buying on there is real. You know, that you're just not buying something and it's junk. And so far, I tell you what, I'm impressed. This definitely isn't junk. So I hope this was helpful. Tom Horseman at YouTube, thumbs up, leave a comment. If you've gotten this and you've got an experience to share with it, share it with us. Thanks for watching, folks.